Hi, Golden Desert Speech and Debate Association coaches. We are really excited to still be able to hold tournaments this year to give students the opportunity to compete. And I hate to be this person, but in giving students those opportunities, there are costs associated with the tournament. There's the NSDA campus rooms, there's the extemp questions from the NSDA, and there are awards and the shipping that is associated with those awards, since we are all in our homes and cannot pick up awards at an award ceremony. So right now, we are using existing funding to pay for all of those things, and we have not been able to purchase and ship the awards to students because we needed to pay for those things that were necessary for the tournament to happen first. And we have a lot of invoices for the tournament that are still outstanding, but it might be a little bit difficult to find those invoices after the tournament happens, especially because your existing tournament registrations are only going to show up the tournaments for the particular month that we're in and upcoming after that month. So if we need to find the GDSDA 1 invoice, we're going to have to go somewhere else. So you're going to click on this results tab, and you will see every tournament that you've ever signed up for on Tab Room under the results tab. So if I need to look at the GDSDA 1 invoice, I'm going to click on my results for GDSDA 1, and you won't see the invoice in your tabs the way you will for an upcoming registration. But over here in this blue bar, we'll see our print invoice / receipt. And I've removed the mailing address from this for the purposes of putting it on YouTube. It will be back when you go and look for your invoice in just a few minutes after you watch this video, I'm hoping. So you will see all of your entries. You'll see the payable to. The W-9 that you need for your banker is included in our weekly emails. So make sure that you have that W-9 to your banker, and then they should be able to send the check. And please make sure that you make the check payable to Golden Desert Speech and Debate Association, all written out, because that is how we are incorporated with the state of Nevada and the IRS as a 501c3 corporation. If you've already sent your check and you want to verify that your check has been received, your invoice will look like this one. So I'm going back to a tournament from last year, and when I go to print my invoice / receipt for that tournament, I see my check number, the date that it was recorded, and that it has been paid, and my total due is $0. So if your banker wants verification that your check has been paid, this paid invoice will serve as that verification that your check has been taken care of. So feel free to email me and ask if I've already inputted your check, but you can also just go to your results page and check to see that you have a zeroed out balance, and I will record the check number of the check that I receive if your banker wants a backstop for that process. So remember, you're just going to click on this results tab. You're going to choose GDSDA 1 or GDSDA 2, go to its results, click on the print invoice / receipt, and follow the payable to directions, which will include a mailing address as soon as I'm done filming this video for you all. We really appreciate you taking care of this. We know it's really hard to get checks right now while most of us are working from home. As you'll notice, I haven't zeroed out this invoice yet because I haven't actually received my own check in the mail as of yet. So we just need those checks to start coming in so that we can get those awards for kids, because they've earned them, they deserve them, and we want to make sure that they are in their hands as quickly as possible. Thank you all so much for being amazing. We have really enjoyed watching how these tournaments are coming along with kids, and we want to make sure that kids continue to be excited about coming to tournaments because they're getting those awards in the mail. Thanks so much, everybody, and I will see you at the NEIETOC tournament.